Habitat. The Sumatran rhino lives in tropical rainforest and mountain moss forest in places where it's very shady due to the rhino's sensitive eyes. In 2001, the Cincinnati Zoo successfully bred the first Sumatran rhino in captivity, named Andalis.
The Sumatran rhino can grow up to 10 feet long. It can also live up to 35 years in the wild. It is known as the hairy rhino for its reddish-brown hair.
For food, the Sumatran rhino mainly eats fruit, leaves, twigs, branches, and bark.
There are 300 Sumatran rhinos left in the wild. It is the most endangered rhino in the world because poachers want their horn and people are cutting down the forest that they live in.
This podcast is by Catherine, Morgan, Matthew, and Ricky.